Hey my friends, there are two things that you need to know about these deflating valves before you buy them. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second, but first I'll just show you them and some of the features and how to use them. So they come in this nice little neoprene pouch right here, which is really great because there's a lot of different parts that I'm going to show you right now. So this pouch is like neoprene, it has a little clip, easily storable in the glove compartment, nice little zipper, and it comes with 4 of the deflating valves, and I'm going to show you there's some very specific things about these. I'm going to show you in just a second. It also comes, which is really nice, it comes with 5 spare valve caps as well. So if you lose a valve cap or you want to switch these out, you can throw these nice little higher end metal valve caps on there as well. So let's look at the deflating valve first. So basically you have the piston pin right here at the top that's spring loaded. So that's what's going to trigger your deflation. You also have this end right here. This is what screws onto your tire valve. And then this is where you set your pressure, your PSI. So if you can see little tiny print in there, it has PSI measurements. Right now it's set at, sorry, right here. There we go. There's the PSI. So we've got 30, 25, 20, and the more you twist this, the more you twist the barrel, the less pressure, or the more air it lets out, less pressure in the tire. So we start at 10, and then it goes up to 30. So find the PSI that you want that's recommended, and I'm gonna give you a little closer look at that right there. So find the pressure that you want. Say I'm going down to 20 PSI right there. I would spin my barrel until it hits that 20 PSI mark right there. Let's see if we can get a little closer look at that. And then in order to maintain the 20, you're gonna take this locking ring and screw it down to the barrel and tighten that up against the barrel. And then my next move is to take the actual barrel and screw it onto the tire. Now I'm going to pull the camera a little bit closer so that you can see. The nice thing is it's not going to start going as soon as you screw it on. See, I've got it on there pretty well. I'm going to pull you closer so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. You can see that right there. So you can see it's screwed on, but the air's not coming out yet. So all I have to do to get it started is just pull the pin. As soon as that pin is pulled, it's going to deflate the tire to the desired pressure. And so you can just walk away. The other cool thing is it comes with 4 of them. So I can set one and then I can go do the 4 other tires, which is really time. It's nice for time because by the time I've set the other 4, this one's done, and then I can come and take it off. So it's going to take just a minute. I just want to show that it will stop when it hits the pressure. All right, so there, it just stopped. Pressure's done. Now sometimes it doesn't go all the way to 20. You can come and pull that pin again just to make sure it got to 20, but you see how it doesn't go anymore when I pull the pin. I mean, it does when I pull the pin because you're actually releasing the pin, but it doesn't keep going. So sometimes you just want to come and give it a little tug again before you finish up to make sure it got down to the pressure that you were hoping for. And then all you have to do is just take the pin off, and that's it. Now the tires are down to 20, and I can go do my thing, and then obviously pump them up when I'm done, and then store these back into my glove compartment. I've absolutely loved having these to air down. They're awesome. I hope you like them as much as I do. Peace.